Well, hey y'all, backyard scrapping here, and this is what happens when you get old. Everything goes to sagging, and your eyes go to drooping, and then somebody like Dime Digger gets you in this running tag game and says, "Tag, you're it," and I can't barely even do nothing, and he wants to play tag, you're it. So anyhow, I figured I better post up a video. Oh, goodness sakes. And tell y'all what my favorite video was. And I think it was, heck, I gotta think oh, my eyes was about drooping out of my head. Got to adjust my glasses there a little bit so I can see. But anyhow, I think my favorite video I made was my BYS blooper challenge for 2019. I didn't get a lot of folks viewing that and get a lot of people looking at it, but I think that was my favorite one that I made, so that's what I'm going to say for mine. And then I got to tag your it 3 others, so I believe I'm going to tag your it Nautical Silver, and I'm going to tag your it VC Coins Nevada, and I'm going to, drooping again, and I'm going to tag your it Full Push Metals, because he had a hand in making me old and making my eyes get like they're falling out of my head. But anyhow, so this was just a quick little video to re-give the tagger it, and don't worry, I can't catch none of you, so, but tag your it anyhow. So we'll get back at you in another video pretty soon. We'll see y'all later.